So let's start. To create your first HTML5 document, you need to name it in the extension of HTML. So basically you need to name it like index.html. You can name it just for the name of index.html is needed to run this page like a home page, a main page, but you can also name it whatever you want. So let's do it. My editor has already added some HTML, but I will delete it and will explain step by step what do we need to create HTML page. So to create a HTML page, first of all we need to know that it consists of tags. Tags are wrapped in these symbols. So to declare this page as HTML5 document, we need to type doc type HTML. Then we will be opening the first our tag HTML. That will all the information of the web page will be stored right between this closing and opening tag. The first of all, after that we need to write a head tag. We write a head tag and also closing tag. When we close the tag, we put like slash. Not all the tags need to be closed, but I will show you the tags that need to be closed, and further in course we will discover some tags that don't need to be closed in HTML5. In head we need to also add title. This will say the title of the page, and after that we need to create body. All the content of our web page will be stored out here. So let's run this page. And we see that it is completely blank. To name it in title we can type some text like my first HTML5 page. Let's save it, refresh, and here we go. Here you can see that my first HTML5 page is right over here in this tab. If we change something like add some exclamation here, after refresh we can see that it is reflected to the page. In head tag we will be also adding some stuff further in course, like styles, maybe connecting some fonts and so on, but for now we will just leave it as it is. I may say that this is all that we need in our first steps of HTML to create the page. Let's look at other HTML5 tags. The tag h1. This tag is important for SEO optimization. SEO optimization is simply when you can Google your site. So the title is also important, like in google.com. When you type some site, here we can see the title. Well, some site web hosting. This is this web title. This goes the description. we will learn about description just a bit in second or third of our HTML5 lessons. But also H1 is important for searching in Google. So let's type some text here. My heading. Save it, return, and refresh our page. Here is like here is our H1 head is like big bold heading. So we also have H2 text, H3 text, H4, H5, and H6. I'm using Emmet in this editor, so for example when I type in H6 and pressing tab, it will auto complete the tag. This is also a text has a closing slash, all of the heading tags. So and let's type some text like my subheading H2, H3, H4, H5, I'm sorry, H6. I don't know why I put another H6. Let's refresh our page and we have and let's create some more text to add to our page. So this is reflecting H3, H4, H5, H6, the very small heading. So let's type some paragraph. Paragraph is just a P tag. It also has closing tag, and here we can add some text to our page. Let's save it, refresh, and here we have some text of the paragraph. We can make some of the words like bold in this page by typing a B tag. B tag. You're wrapping it inside a P tag. So now text should be bold. Refresh our page and we see it has reflected to our page. Similar to B tag goes a strong tag. Strong. Also we have a closing strong tag. When we refresh, our will be also strong. Our, as you see. Strong is more newer type of text for HTML5, but you can use also B or strong. And let's see, we can also add a bit of styling, like horizontal line to our page. It doesn't has a closing tag, just HR, and after saving we see that some kind of line has appeared here. Then we can also comment our not text, but leaving some comment for ourselves when we will be revisiting this page to explain something. That comments are not reflected to the page to user, but reflected to developer. To start commenting things in HTML5, you need to write this structure. Everything inside this one will be invisible to user. For example, some comment refreshing our page, nothing has changed for user, but we can make a comments. For example, let's describe this. This is a this is heading. We can also write. And leave these comments to user. Okay, in the next our lesson we will be learning how to create hyperlinks, adding images, and exploring some more text. See you!